I want to take a break from my regular videos to tell you about my new mentorship program, which might be of interest to you if you'd like to have me personally guide you through the early stages of your YouTube journey. Hi, my name is Rob, and if you're new here, welcome. It's nice to meet you. And if you're returning, then welcome back. But if you are new here, then you may not be interested in this anyways, since you don't even know who I am. Maybe get to know me a little bit first by watching some of my other videos. Anyways, for the last 6 months, in between the videos I post and the live streams that I host, I've been doing one-on-one coaching calls for people looking for additional help with their YouTube channels. And they've been a highlight for me, something I absolutely love doing. I get to meet some great people and help them with whatever issues they're having. But I feel like I could be doing so much more for people if I had a lot more time with them, with you, and that's why I've developed this new mentorship program. Instead of one-off calls, I've put together a program designed to transform you into a full-blown content creator with the skills, confidence, and knowledge you need to be successful on YouTube. At the end of the 15-week program, you'll have a framework in place for growing on YouTube that you will already be executing. It'll be custom-made for you, and we'll make it together, you and I. You'll have your own personalized strategy in place, including a content strategy, posting schedule, thumbnail strategy, and a monetization and business strategy in place. I'll help you level up your videos by improving your framing and composition, improving your audio quality, and we'll provide tips to speed up your video editing. I'll also help you with camera confidence and getting more comfortable talking on camera so you can start making videos faster and easier. But there's a bunch of other things too that I'll help you with. I just can't list them all because I don't know what they are yet. As you go through the program and build your channel, you're going to run into things, problems, issues, snags, things I'll be able to help you with as they pop up. So everyone's journey through this program will be different. But it's my goal that by the end of this program, you'll be well on your way to becoming a full-time content creator. So who is this mentorship program for? Well, it's not for everyone. And that's one of the reasons I've set up an application process for the program. I want to make sure you are indeed someone I feel I can help be successful on YouTube. Another more practical reason for the application is that I only have a limited number of spots for the program, and once they're filled, I'll have to close the doors until the next session. So here's how the application process works. If you think you might be interested in the program, click the link in the description below for Mentorship Program Application. On that page, you'll be able to read more about the program, and towards the end of the page, there's an application form. Fill out that form and submit it. You'll then hear from me within the next 48 hours. If I think you're a good candidate for the program, the next step is a 10 to 15 minute Zoom call where we can learn more about one another and how this is going to work. You can ask me any questions that you have, and we can discuss what days and times would work best for the Zoom calls. You may decide during the call that you want to proceed with the program, and if so, I'll send you a link to book your first Zoom call as well as a link to make your first payment. The cost of the program is $1,600, payable in 2 installments of $800 each, one before the first call and one before the 5th call. There are 8 calls in total for the standard program. Or you may decide during the call that you want more time to think about it before committing to the program. And if so, that's totally fine. I can still send you the booking and payment links, and you can make your decision when you're ready. Just keep in mind that spaces are limited, and once they're filled up, I won't be able to accept any other people into the program until the next session. So there you have it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask in the comments below. Again, this program isn't for everyone. If you decide it's too much of a commitment for you, I totally understand. There's always the option of the one-on-one Zoom coaching calls on a one-off basis, like I've been doing for the last 6 months. I do intend to keep offering those, although the available times will be fewer since this mentorship program is going to take up a lot of the available time that I have. So that's it. Thanks for watching and listening to me. Now I'm going to get back to work on my next video. This one is about live streaming, which should be up on YouTube in the next 2 days. So I'll see you in that video. Take care.